गोय सरकाराच्या येरादारी संचालनालयाच्या 6व्या राज्य रस्तो सुरक्षा उपक्रमाक सोमारा सावन सुरवात जाली। हो उपक्रम 19 ते 25 सप्टेंबर मेरेन चलतलो। रूल्स केले म्हूण जायना, रोड्स करपूय महत्वाचे आसा। तशेंच 2017 8वी ते 10वी मेरेन रस्तो सुरक्षा बाबतीत अभ्यासक्रम लागू करतले, अशें भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर हांणी सांगलां। ह्या वेळार पणजे महानगरपालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो, ताळगांवची आमदार जेनिफर मोन्सेरात आनी हेर मानेस्तू हजर आसले। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
रोड सेफ्टी जे रूल्स आसा ते केले म्हणून जायना, त्या बरोबरच जे रोड्स आसा ते रोड्स सारखे जावपाची आवश्यकता आसा आनी त्या खातीर गोवा स्टार्टेड टेकिंग ऑफ 4 lanes रोड्स, स्पेशली नॅशनल हायवे एंड स्टेट हायवे एंड मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड। आणि हे फुडल्या 5 वर्सांत हे काम मोठ्या प्रमाणात चालू जातलें। आज ह्या भुरग्यांक आपोवपाचो फाटलो उद्देश कितें हो खूब महत्वाचो आसा, कारण फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट इयर्स देर विल बी अ लेसन इन द स्कूल ऑन रोड सेफ्टी फॉर स्टँडर्ड 8, फॉर स्टँडर्ड 9 and for standard 10, and it was decided by Union Ministry Road and Transport. आणि हे जेन्ना इम्प्लिमेंट जातले तेन्ना भुरग्यांक कळटलें की रोड सेफ्टी म्हणजे कितें, आणि रोडार जेन्ना तुम्ही चलता, तुम्ही रोड क्रॉस करता तेन्ना तो रोड कसो क्रॉस करप हे सुद्दां त्या लेसनांनी आसतलें।
Students are given an opportunity to participate in the Road Safety Week program so as to bring about a change, something youth of the country must understand first. Parents too have to play their role in educating the youth. Many parents find it some sort of status symbol to allow their teenagers high-end bikes, but learn their lesson when it is too late. Young boys, even girls, refuse to wear helmets while driving. Parents have to make it mandatory to ensure speed limits and use of helmets on a precondition to the use of two vehicles.
To make a conscious decision not to entertain phone calls and requests from supporters who have been violating traffic rules. This is a very common complaint by traffic police and the law enforcement agencies while they discharge their duties. The whole purpose of this exercise of having a road safety week is defeated if this is done. Besides the traffic department doing their best, it's up to us and each and every one of us to make Goa a safer place to drive in. People should be aware of very elementary safety rules, that is mandatory wearing of helmets, use of seat belts, no drinking and driving, avoid taking drugs which will impair driving, avoid jumping signals, stick to your lanes, avoid using cell phones most of the times, as much as you can rather, overspeeding, dipping of headlights, overloading of vehicles, both passenger and good. Road safety rules are very simple and easy to follow and save lives. On a lighter note, like Mr. D'Souza said, love safety, marry rules and divorce speed.
My good friend